Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face with a facial wash, then follow with toner. IRF reduces fine lines. Settings. Time 10 minutes. Energy level 3. Gently apply eye serum around the eyes. Move the handle in circles under the eyes. Lift from under the eye to the temple with the handle. Lift the eyebrow with the handle. Lift from the eyebrow towards the forehead with the handle. Face RF lifts, tightens, and enhances skin elasticity. Settings. Time 10 minutes. Energy level 3. Gently apply serum to the face. Glide the handle across 3 facial areas, move upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Apply toner, serum, and cream. One to 3 sessions per week are recommended, with a total regimen of 12 sessions. Contraindications: pregnancy or lactation, heart disease or pacemaker use, unhealed surgical wounds or in the recovery phase, epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, or malignant tumors, skin or infectious diseases.